Archival footage of World War I planes in flight. Did you know the US had its first drone all the way back in World War I? Meet the Kettering Bug, an experimental UAV that changed aviation history. The Kettering Bug was nicknamed the Flying Torpedo. It was a small unmanned biplane designed to carry a 180-pound explosive payload directly to enemy targets. Diagram of the Kettering Bug's design, highlighting the gyroscopic guidance system. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine, it used a preset gyroscopic guidance system. Engineers calculated its range by setting a counter to cut the engine at the precise moment, causing it to dive and detonate. The idea was revolutionary. It could hit targets miles away without risking a pilot's life. Essentially, it was a flying cruise missile ahead of its time. Testing the Kettering Bug. Although it never saw combat, the Kettering Bug paved the way for modern drones and precision-guided weaponry. It was a glimpse into the future of warfare. The Kettering Bug, an ambitious experiment that shaped military innovation for generations. The Kettering Bug, Flying Torpedo, the first U.S. military drone. Follow for more amazing drone history facts.